Assalamu alaikum, my brothers and sisters. So today we are here to discuss about Mufti Ismail Menk. That who is Mufti Ibn Ismail Menk? Ismail Ibn Musa Menk, also known as Mufti Menk. So now, first of all, I would like to discuss biography of Mufti Ismail Menk. If you don't know, Mufti Ismail Menk is a greatest Muslim scholar, and he trying to spread the deen outside the world. And he born in Zimbabwe and get earlier education from Zimbabwe, and and after that he also get doctorate degree, and the earlier education he get from Zimbabwe. So after that he just went and get a degree of Sharia law, and when he complete his earlier education, and then he went to Saudi Arabia to get Sharia degree from Medina University, from Islamic University of Medina work. So we all know that each and everyone work for livelihood, and for his children and for his parents. So over here we know to that what is Mufti Ismail Menk is doing. So he is the uh, director of the Darul Ulum, and he is doing his work over there. So now I would like to discuss the awards of Mufti Ismail Menk, that what kind of awards and when he did get these awards. So the first award he was honored within, I don't know what is the pronunciation of that words, doctorate of social guidance, and after that he just get a global leadership award and social guidance because he tried to guide the people, and his official website is www.muftimenk.com. So this is request from my brothers and sisters that if you would like to watch the videos, so just subscribe the channel, and this is the responsibility of each and everyone to get some benefit from these video. Please share the video and also like Muslim unity, and it will be very grateful. Thanks.